Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the new SharePoint homepage experience. For SharePoint's 25th anniversary, Microsoft has introduced a new experience designed with a modern layout and easier navigation. If you are using Microsoft 365, SharePoint's new home experience provides a much more modern and user-friendly interface that makes collaboration easier. So let's get started. First, let's understand what the SharePoint homepage actually is. The SharePoint homepage acts as a central hub where users can easily find and access the sites they follow, recent activity, news updates, and frequently visited content. Right now on my screen, you can see the older interface of the SharePoint homepage before the new experience was introduced. This is the current SharePoint homepage. Here you can see option: the SharePoint Start page, My Sites, news from your organization, recent files, lists, and other content. If you are a SharePoint administrator, you can access the new experience from the Admin Center. Now to enable the new SharePoint experience, first go to the M365 Admin Center. From there, select SharePoint Admin Center. Here you can see that I'm currently on the SharePoint Admin Center dashboard. Now left side navigation menu, go to Settings. Here you'll find the new SharePoint Experience option, and by default it is disabled. Now let's enable it by turning on and saving the settings. Now let's jump back to the SharePoint homepage and see how the new experience looks. Now refresh the page, and you should see the new SharePoint experience appear on the screen. So that's a quick overview of the new SharePoint homepage experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming SharePoint and Microsoft 365 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.